We're here at Collegetown Court to see the studio apartment 408. We're on the 4th floor of this 5-floor building. Let's go on in and take a look. You can see the kitchen on the right. There's the refrigerator, there's the sink, microwave, the stove and oven. We have the cabinets and drawers. Over on the left-hand side, you'll see 2 doors. The first door will be the bathroom. Let's take a look in there. So this is laid out differently than some of our other apartments here in Collegetown Court. Same bathroom items, so you'll see the tub shower, the vanity, and the toilet as well. And let's go on in and take a look. The next we'll go by the closet. Here's the closet. And then this apartment has some unique features. So it's got a slightly different layout, and as well it has a second window. So this apartment shape is the same on floors 2, 3, 4, and 5. Floor 2 does not have that extra window. So the extra window is on floors 3, 4, and 5. We're here on floor 4. Let's go take a look out the window. You can see it's a nice sunny day. It's a beautiful view out here in central Collegetown. Let's go look out the other window so you can get a look at that. So we have some great sky. It's some nice western exposure that we have here. The furnishings will be the same items in all the apartments. You'll have the desk and chair, there's the full-size bed, the bookshelf, there's the dresser, the dining table and chair. The window does have the air conditioner. You can arrange the furniture however you like. We like to show you some different floors so you can see some different furniture sample layouts. So that's a look at Collegetown Court 408. We're in a studio apartment here at this building at 208 Dryden Road, right here in the heart of Collegetown.